Hello, everybody. So, as many of you know, one of the things I do to earn money is I am a journey coach. I'm a senior leader with Fun Stampers Journey, and the new holiday catalog went live today, August 1st. I have had it for since mid-June to the end of June, and it's been hard for me not to share anything from this because I also have some things from this. But let's get into it. Oh, this is a mini catalog, and it goes from August 1st to the end of December because it's got all the holiday stuff in it. This is just the table of contents, the rewards you can earn for having a party, and these are host exclusives that you can only earn from having a party. And you purchase them, but they're at a deep discount. So this is a die set. I love that stitched leaf. That is so pretty. And then these are 29 pieces of adhesive backed with some jewels and different chipboards and foam and things. That's the actual size of the jewels, in case you're wondering. This is for a $300 party. You can purchase this. For a $600 party, you can purchase this 26 set stamp set, which is gorgeous. I've seen people work with that one. It's really pretty. Look at here with the candle inside. I love that. Okay, these are Bloom benefits, and they are for every $75 that you spend, you can pick out one of these for free. So there's embossing folders, dies. I love this snowflake die. I'm definitely going to be getting that. Home for the Holidays wooden pieces, more wooden pieces with fall leaves, some washi, this little stamp, and this stamp. I really love those. So for every $75, you pick out one. So if you have a $150 party, not only do you get all the benefits of that, which would be $20 in free items, one free artist trading size stamp, the opportunity to buy either of those at a deep discount, and two of these. Pick out two free things. So that's a pretty good deal. These are the new Journey Coach starter kits. And if you have any questions about these or want information on these new kits, just comment below or email me. I've got my email down in the description bar all the time, and I will help you out with that if you're interested. Okay, Halloween is the first section, and there's such cute things in here that I love. I have these skeletons, and I have the die set that goes with. I love all the "we'll do tricks for treats. Skeletons will gladly dance if you give them half a chance." So cute. Bon appetit. That's adorable. And then I have this one with the monsters. I love these. Eyes on You, it's called. Doesn't have a die. Kind of wish it had a die, but I've been fussy cutting them. It's fine. And these eyes, look at those eyes. So pretty. And these glasses that stick on too. These are foam stickers. I'm launching my own kit soon. One of the kits will be a Halloween kit, and this is the stamp set that will go with that kit. And then I'm going to have some of the little accessories will go with it too, and all the pieces that are going to make some projects. So keep watching my channel because I'll be telling you about that. Some little skeletons might even make an appearance. And then look at these pumpkins. Gorgeous. And look at how they look stamped. I love these. This one, not only did they stamped it in black and then they colored it in with some liquid colors, it looks like. These are called Martha's Pumpkins because it kind of has a Martha Stewart feel to it. This is a die set. Really pretty. I really like that with the spooky tree. Cute. Now this stamp set, when I saw it, I thought, I don't want to put bugs on a card or a scrapbook layout or any project I might be doing. Though it might be cool for an art journal now that I think about it. But look how beautiful the detail is with the spider when it's heat embossed. And the same thing with the web when it's heat embossed. It really is very pretty. I don't have this one. Don't know if I will get this one. But I can see where someone would really love this. This All Hallows Eve, these are clips. And I think they're a little bit of metal to them. Besides being the paper clip is metal. This is the Halloween prints. So they've got some fall things. They've got some Halloween. It's kind of an even mix of the two. Really love those. I'm enjoying working with these as I'm getting my fall and Halloween kits together. I love these papers. And these are Spooky Eve stickers. And it's like chipboards and jewels and it's just a mix of stuff. Cute. These are some more tags like in the annual inspiration and catalog. These go with the bread tag die. It's a tongue twister for me today, I guess. And this is all fall and Halloween. These are some adhesive backed wooden pieces. This is a little ATS size stamp, and there's also a die for it. So you can bundle, get both for $17. I think that's a great deal. And you can also bundle this one for $17, the pumpkin and the little sentiment. This is one of the food grade boxes we have that's in the annual catalog. This is the pumpkin patch ribbon that we have. And then this is showing you what to do with this stamp set and doing some masking and inking, and really cute. Here's Thanksgiving. Look at this pretty scarecrow. I love that. This I have, it's a great background stamp. You could see how they inked it in different colors and spots and stamped it. That is beautiful. It would be beautiful if you used it with the gel press. And here it's heat embossed, which is just gorgeous. And then this is an embossing folder. So let's see, right here. They took and inked it up a little bit. After they did the print, the emboss, then they took and lightly rubbed over the top different colors to bring out those leaves even more. I have this one. It is so adorable stamped. This is called Thankful Friends, and it does have a die to it. Yay. Because there's some, I don't want to cut around him, though I could. He's pretty easy to cut around, I guess. And these are some cards they made. Really pretty. The turkeys. I have the turkeys. So cute. I love the one that's running. I love that. I think it's a pheasant, actually. So we've got some turkeys and a pheasant. These are Zen leaves, and they're in the main catalog, and this is in the main catalog also. It's called Gather Together. And this haystack ribbon and the sunrise mix. These are all in the annual catalog also, so they will not be going away at the end of December. Here is the Christmas section. This stamp set is so pretty. You can actually make a wreath. See how these are rounded? You can make yourself a wreath, build a wreath with this. And they've done this all the way around this card and then put this sentiment in the middle. I really like how they did that. This is a die, and you see how they've used it with the gold and the dark backing behind it? Really pretty, and these are just a sprigs, I guess you'd call them, right there. Deck the Halls is very pretty with the fireplace. I love that. Adore Him. This is really gorgeous how they did this in the gold. This is the Nativity die set, and you can see they just cut it out. Different colors. I love that. This would be pretty in that in the shadow box that's on sale this month, and I'll show that to you coming up. Jingle bells. Merry Christmas. This is the Christmas sprig. The gnomes. People went crazy for these gnomes. They are really cute. And then this is an embossing folder that looks like a knit sweater. And I've seen someone use this for a card. It is so pretty. I love it. These are hoops that people are using on the fronts of cards. I haven't tried it yet, but they're thin like balsa wood hoops, and you get 2 of each size. It's 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches. And again, these are in the main catalog, so they're not going to go away. I don't know if that's going to go away. I hope not. And then we've got some candy cane buttons and some string that is thick string, and it's fuzzy. It looks really cute on some of the projects I've used it with. This is the Nutcracker Suite. Again, you can bundle it with a die. This is the Hanukkah stamp set, and it's an ATS. This is another Happy Hanukkah. This is the Menorah Glow, this one's called. These are the Holiday Sparkles, and this is the size of the largest one. This is the Gift Twine, and it's got a little gold woven through it. Really pretty. And here's some examples of things they've done. And here is the print. This is also in the annual catalog. It's called Cozy Prints. You get 4 each of 6 two-sided prints. So you get 24 pieces. They're 12 by 12. These are adhesive backs, 3-dimensional little coffee cups. And here is the holiday clips, which I have. So cute. I'm sure they'll come up in a project and you'll get to see those. This is called All Roads. Maybe it's warm inside. That's so cute. This is the Stay Cozy, and you see how they built up this whole scene with it? I love that. I think that's so pretty. Deck the Halls. This is the Merry Everything set, and it is gorgeous. I have this one. I haven't gotten to play with it much yet, but I have it, so I will be doing something with that in the future. And then we have these Merry Christmas 24 puffy stickers. It's called Frosted Friends. And then here's the Frosted Friends clips. And these are the tags that are Christmas and winter that go with that bread tag die. This is the holiday mix and match, 24 pieces. There's wood chips, buttons, chipboard, and these flags are chipboard. So cute. This is a new tag set, and it was in the main catalog, but they've now got this stamp set that matches it. It's all the different Christmas. I love the distress look of them to make your Christmas tags. So cute. This little guy. I have this one and I have this one, and I haven't gotten to play with them much yet because I knew I couldn't show them quite yet, but I will be. Look at what they've done with them. So cute. I love this Elf Inspected, Santa Improved, and the little Santa mail stamp. Love it. This is a Build-A-Scene stamp set, and it is a really good value. There's a die. If you bundle, it's $8.95, and there are 14 pieces. Because it's an ATS size, they consider this as smaller because all these pieces are tiny. I love it. See how they built this scene by using all of them and repeating the tree over and over? Love that. And there's a die to it. If you bundle the two, it's $23.30 for both of these. And I did that because this is just gorgeous. I can't wait to use it. So these things right here are in the main catalog, and this is part of the August sale that I'm going to share with you in a minute. These are all 20% off. This little, it's like a shadow box, kind of looks like a drawer. Has a little metal circle on middle ring on the top. So cute. So it is 3 5/8 by 5 1/4. So it's not very big, but it's the perfect size to fit these little things inside to make a scene. And this would be beautiful to put inside here too, as with the Nativity stamp set. And then here's just showing you what you can do with the polka dot stencil and some modeling paste, which is also on sale. These both are on sale this month. Okay, let me show you really quickly the sale. And like I said, this went live today, so I will link below to my shopping channel and how you can get those for yourself. Okay, the things that are on sale this month. All of the acrylic paint colors are on sale. They're normally $5.95 a tube. You're going to get them 20% off. So I have a little flyer here somewhere. What do I do with the flyer? Yes, oh, it's right here in front of my face. So the paints will be $4.76 at 20% off. Of course, I'm really excited because I'm missing some of these colors. And after the 20% is taken, I get another 20 to 25%, depending on my sales, off of the paints also because I'm a Journey coach. So that is exciting. These pastel sets are on sale 20% off. So this is a set called Party Pop. This is Rich Sorbet, which is my favorite. Confectionery Day pastels, which I don't have. Mother Nature pastels, which I don't have. So these are normally $49.95, and you'll be getting them. I should have done the math myself before I started this, right? Let's see, where are the pan pastels? Here it is. So each set of pan pastels will be $39.96. Now we also have some singles and some specialty colors and the colorless blender, but those are not on sale, the singles, just the sets. And with the set, you get a palette that these set down into, little circles so they can hold them, and you also get the tool set, a 5-piece tool set, not like this 8-piece one, but you get a 5-piece tool set similar to this. Okay, so that's what's on sale there. Let me see. And these are all on sale. All of the stencils are on special this month at 20% off. And I don't have all of these stencils, and I especially want these too. So I'm excited about that. Everything on this page, the modeling paste, the gel medium, the gesso, the spatula, this little house, these are all on special. Not the gel press, I'm sorry to say. And of course the stencil. Everything on this page is on special at 20% off also. That little scenic tray, these easels that are unfinished, these little unfinished wooden house trio, little flip books, all of these are on special at 20% off. So that's quite a long list. If anybody would like the PDF of everything that's on special and what the prices are, I'm happy to send that to you. Just comment below, or email me would be better because then I'll have your email to send the PDF to you because I'm going to need that, right? Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the great stuff that's coming out today and then the specials that are starting for today. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.